In this video, I will show you how to add bullet points in Microsoft Word document. So, firstly, write your list, then select, and here you will see the options. Select bullets. You can select any style of bullets. To remove, select none. And once you click on define new bullets, so here you can select you want to select any type of symbol as a bullet. Select it, then click on OK and click on OK. So you can insert these custom bullet points. To make edit, again click here, define new bullet. You can use your own picture. Then click on OK. So this way you can add bullet points. To change the color, select it and select any color which you like. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.